what's up guys? I'm just going to make this quick video to tell you guys about what's going to be happening in the next 2 weeks regarding this channel. In 3 days I'm going to be flying out to Vegas, so I'm going to be making some awesome videos there. We're going to be visiting some other places too, so I should be able to get a lot of amazing footage in those places. And then I'm coming back here, home, for 3 days, then flying back out to Arizona. And then after a few days in Arizona, I'm going to be going to California. So all that combined, I'm gonna have so much footage. I can't wait to make some awesome DJI Spark videos for you guys. I won't be able to make any Traxxas videos there, obviously. I can't just shove the Stampede in my suitcase. I wish I could, but it won't work in this situation. But I'm going to be getting some awesome scenery with the DJI Spark. So subscribe if you already haven't to stay tuned for those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.